Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you typing the messages box in Cleo's chat and the keyboard just won't pop up so you can type? Here's the fix. First, force close the Cleo completely from your recent apps and reopen it. Then, tap directly into the messages inbox again, since a keyboard failing to appear is the most often a temporary glitch in how the app is calling out the keyboard, and a fresh session usually resolves it. If the keyboard still won't appear, go to Settings, General, and Keyboard and check that Cleo isn't affected by a system-wide keyboard setting. Toggle Predictive off and back on, since a stuck predictive text setting has been known as to prevent third-party app keyboards from loading correctly. Restart your iPhone fully afterward. If the keyboard works fine in other apps but still won't work in Cleo specifically, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, then scroll down to find Cleo, tap on it, then tap Offload app. Go to the App Store, search for Cleo, and reinstall it fresh from the App Store to research the app's own keyboard handling files. So all you gotta do is force close and retry first, check your keyboard settings, restart your iPhone, then reinstall if it's isolated to Cleo. The keyboard shows up so you can type. That's it. Subscribe.